Right guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all good. Now, as you know, normally with my videos, my content, as I like to say these days, I like to break the mould a bit. Although I do EDC stuff like a lot of people, I'm just a bit straightforward. No airs and graces, no special effects and all that sort of stuff. Just a straightforward, all about the gear and content kind of guy. But I'll make an exception on this occasion. A few of the decent YouTubers out there, if you like, have made some content recently on their sort of pocket carry. So unashamedly, I thought I'd hijack their idea and just do my own. So what am I carrying at the moment? Here goes. I've got the Viprade VE26 pouch. Okay, you've got a part on the back that you could put your gear in. I've done content on this before, so you can check that video out if you want a more in-depth thing on that. But yeah, it's got a decent amount for gear and whatnot. You've got a thing for your cash and cards on the back, and like I say, some parts there for cards and whatnot. So number one. Number two, simple notebook. Yeah, nothing special. I carry a pen, so it's always useful to have something to write in. Number three, Auto CR01. Got a nice sort of camouflage pattern. Real men like camouflage, don't they? So why not? Number four, this is the wonderful Nightcore ED37 torch. Probably make some content more in depth on this at some point. You've got a glass breaker on the front, big heavy duty torch. Okay, yeah, great piece of gear. I thought I'd carry that. What are we on to? Number five, I've got the Civivi slip joint knife. Maybe some of you out there may be looking to get into EDC and whatever. This is a UK legal tool, and even if you're a very sort of experienced EDC enthusiast and you haven't got one of these, you have the chance, get one. Looks very cool, sort of stealthy look to it. Like I say, UK legal, as it has that wonderful slip joint, and yeah, they're probably sort of well respected for a reason. Right, what was that? Number six, Gerber pry bar. Yeah, nice and simple bit of kit, solid as a rock, and one for your collection. Number seven, turbojet lighter, solid. Needs a bit of gas. But yeah, solid piece of gear. Looks cool, a bit like some sort of spaceship type object. And yeah, my little sort of utilitarian carry here, a great addition. And last but not least, those of you that watch the channel before, yes, we all have phones with a time on it, but I always like to carry a watch. And on this occasion, it's the G-Shock. It's camo inside. I thought it goes well with some of my other bits of gear, and looks cool in my opinion. Very robust, and if you lose it, it's not the end of the world. It cost about sort of £80 to £100 in that sort of region. So for most people, yeah, you wouldn't be really devastated if you were to lose it, but yeah, nice little bit of kit again. There you go guys, that rounds up my EDC carry. I've shown you mine. Now in the comment section, show me yours. Take care, guys, and keep going equipped. Peace.